Hello, I'm the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the Canadian used farm equipment market at Sandhills Global. New reports covering November data are now available. Today, we will review the latest market reports for Canadian used farm equipment on Sandhills platforms, focusing on inventory levels, asking values, and auction values. Inventory levels in this market are trending down overall, yet November showed an increase of 3.78% month-over-month and 8.67% year-over-year. The used combine category had the largest month-over-month inventory increase, while the used tractor 300 horsepower and greater category posted the steepest year-over-year inventory gain. Asking values have been climbing for 5 months in a row and increased in November by 0.92% month-over-month and 11.27% year-over-year. The used 175 to 299 horsepower tractor segment had the largest month-over-month asking value decrease. Used combine harvesters led the way in year-over-year asking value increases. Auction values in this market were up by 1.82% month-over-month and 13.78% year-over-year in November. Used combines led other categories in auction value increases both month-over-month and year-over-year. In conclusion, the Canadian used farm equipment market showed inventory growth in November, despite a longer-term downward trend, while both asking and auction values continued their upward momentum. If you'd like to access the full reports for tractors, combines, self-propelled sprayers, and planters, go to marketbook.ca, click on More at the top of the page, and click Get Market Reports. If you have any questions, please reach out to Chuck Lewis at chuck-lewis@marketbook.ca. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in the Canadian used farm equipment market.